Well, these are all my May faves. Always looking out for high protein snack, and this one's not made in palm oil. It has beetroot, carrot, spinach. Such a guilt-free snack. Though we have all the sweat for this kind of shine, but this has been such a major part of my May. It's actually a body spray, but it also has SPF. There are a lot of products in the market now which give you this sort of shine, but it is so lightweight. It gets absorbed in my skin so easily, and the smell just lingers on. And they're like so cute. These are actually coasters, of course, and I got this as a PR package, which was sent by Sinsin. It's a restaurant which is in Bombay. Now it's open in Gurgaon. Well, along with these cute glassware, I got them some time ago, but I never used it. And now summers are here. Every refreshing drink that I make goes in these glasses. Thanks to Creator Life, you get your hands on stuff you may never buy. Well, the Philips straightener was one of those products, like one stroke, and it really did that trick for me. I have been using Jo Malone for the longest time. I got my hands onto Kimrica. Oh my god, I mean, for a product which is for 500 bucks, it just blows my mind. Moroccan oil frizz control. Everyone is aware of their shampoo and especially their oil, but this frizz control spray, wow, it makes all the difference. When I wash my hair, apply this and then style my hair is frizz free. For this one, I'll have to really get up. Do you see how baggy these jeans are? I absolutely love it. Anywhere I go to and I wear this, my friend will be like, "Ye kahan se liya, kahan se liya?" I might have taken eternity to finish Housemaid, but this one I managed to finish in all of May. Though it's a lot of time for a book like this because it is so damn easy to read. And the way it builds up and develops, like you can never imagine what the next chapter would bring. AM routine, I'm very good at following it. PM routine, I suck. This moisturizer has beginner-friendly retinol, so it was just easy for me to apply it on my face every night. This is by Neutrogena. It's called Visible Repair Cream. I've tried a lot in the past, but this has been the most convenient. It has a suction, so when you put it on the wall and rotate this, it just gets stuck on the wall and doesn't come off. Please let me know if there's anything that you would want me to try. Then I would love to give them a try in June and make it part of my favorites. All right, guys. Bye.